Can you say apple?
Apple.
Apple. Do you see the airplane?
Airplane.
Can you say me?
Where?
Say me.
Where?
Who wants to get a cupcake tonight?
Me.
No,
Me.
not me.
I know why you said that, because today's my birthday.
Who wants to say happy birthday to Wesley? Say me.
Me. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Wesley. Happy birthday. Hey, Wesley.
Happy birthday. Say cheese. Just Colin with the ball.
Tonight.
Are you having fun out here?
Yeah.
What do you want to play?
No bears are out tonight.
How do you play that?
You just, the person hides and you can, and
How does the song go?
no bears are out tonight. Daddy stuck them all tonight.
What? No bears are out tonight?
No bears are out tonight. Daddy sucked them all tonight.
Oh no.
No bears out tonight. Daddy sucked them all tonight. No bears out tonight. Daddy sucked them all tonight. That's the song.
Go.